In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Google Drive. 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into Trello. Use the web app or desktop app and make sure you're logged into the account that has access to the board where you want Google Drive enabled. If you're part of a team, you'll need edit access on that board to add integrations. Once you're in, open the board you want to connect. This is the place where the Google Drive features will appear, so pick the board your team actually uses for files and collaboration. At the top of the board, look for the Power-Ups button. Depending on your layout, it might be in the board header or within a menu, but it will say Power-Ups. Click that to open the panel, then choose Add Power-Ups. This opens Trello's directory of apps and integrations. Use the search bar and type Google Drive. You're looking for the official Google Drive Power-Up. Click it to open the details page where you can quickly confirm it's the one that adds file previews and drive attachments to your cards. Next, click Add. Trello will attach the Power-Up to your current board. On first use, you'll see a prompt to link your Google account. Click through to connect, select the Google account you want to use, and review the permissions. These permissions allow Trello to help you browse and attach files or folders from Drive. If you manage multiple Google accounts, choose the one that stores the files your team needs. When you're ready, confirm and allow. If you run into a pop-up blocker, temporarily allow pop-ups for this site so the authorization window can open. On some work domains, an admin may need to permit the integration. If that happens, check with your workspace admin. Also note that free Trello plans allow a limited number of power-ups per board, so make sure you have a slot available. After the connection completes, you'll see Google Drive listed under your board's power-ups. From there, the integration is ready. You'll notice Drive options when attaching files in a card, and you'll get helpful previews and quick access to folders you link. If you ever need to switch Google accounts or disconnect, open the Power-Ups panel again. Select Google Drive and manage the settings from there. And that's it. You logged in, opened your board, went to Power-Ups, added the Google Drive Power-Up, and followed the prompt to link your account. You're now set up to bring your Drive files straight into Trello for smoother, more organized collaboration.